The following is a brief description of how to log into and navigate Student Self-Service Banner. There are two ways of logging into your Student Self-Service Banner. You can either log into your EOC website, which in this case would be queenseoc.net, or you can directly go into stars.sunyuca.org. It will then take you to the login page where you would be logging into the banner system sign-in, which says current student. You'll click on current student, and you will be logging in with your username that should have been printed on your schedule and handed to each student. For the purpose of this video, we have created a fake account which we'll be using as an example to show you how to navigate Student Self-Service Banner. Your password is 6 digits long. It should be your birthday, and it should be 2 digits each. So 2 digits month, date, and year. Once you log in, your first page that you would see would be this page, where you would find your full name on the right side corner and your options, which would be found on the left side. Once you click on these 4 little squares, a drop down that says banner will be there, and you will click on the arrow, and then another drop down will appear which says student, and then once more you will click on the arrow. Then you will be given 4 different options, which are grades, attendance, test scores, and week at a glance, which is your schedule. When viewing attendance, you will have all of your classes listed with the CRN terms, the course, the section, the title, and your schedule. Also, you'll be able to see missed classes and the percentage of attendance that you have. This is for the purpose of looking at all the classes you currently have. Now, if you wish to look at just one class individually, you're able to do so by using the CRN number, which is located on the left side second column. For in this case, if I was to look at HSE Evening Basic Reading, I would put the CRN 13874. And then it would only show me that one particular class. Now, if you click on it, on the right side corner, you would be able to see the details about the missed class. The number of meetings, how many of those meetings were you present, how many of them were you absent, how many canceled, and how many of those meetings were notified absences, so excused absences. Once you're done looking at that CRN, you can delete that number and you will be back at your full schedule. Then to navigate test scores, now we would have availability to be able to see your taped test scores, whether they're math and reading. You'll be able to see the scores as well as the days that they were taken. If we want to see the student's schedule, you'll be able to click on the tab and you will see your schedule for the week. You can go and see previous weeks, as well as you can see future weeks. In this case, we're looking at week of April 15, 2019. But if we're interested in seeing following week's schedule, we also are able to look ahead as well as look at previous weeks. You click on the class, you'll have a little bit of details as far as who's the instructor, when's the class range, the time, the building. Again, this is available both with a link on your EOC and a quick access area where you can find your login as well as stars.sunyucod.org.